Friday, and today I'll be playing Don't Press the Button 4 with my little brother. He's making a bit of a guest appearance, and he just died. Oh, so did I. Hello. He's right here next to me. Hey. He's the guy who looks like the character. I know. I'm technically just a bacon hair, but with different hair. I had to get a factory reset, so I got so if the animations actually cut down a tiny bit, and some stuff may be cut down for a while until I can get everything set back up. But so I decided I'll do a Roblox video. I know I haven't been uploading for a while because it was during Christmas. Then I had to get my factory reset. Okay, I'm pressing. I wanna press. Stay clear of the red chocolate. Oh no. No.
I love chocolate.
I don't want to be on the red chocolate. That's bad chocolate. Red chocolate's bad chocolate.
I wouldn't wait for it.
I
didn't push on it.
I hate red chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh my god.
Oh, someone died.
I know.
Quick, it's faster this time.
Whoa. Wait, what if I just keep on just jump from random areas? This isn't that hard, is it? It's literally just.
You have to jump.
Red chocolate. I hate this. Oh, whoever was here.
Yeah, I died.
I just realized if I stand in between these two, I'll never die.
Yeah.
Because if one goes, I'll still be standing on the other. If the other goes, I'll still be standing on the other halfway. 5 players survive! Yay!
I'll go first.
No. Aww. Stay clear of the moving platforms. Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh no. Whoa, Fiona, move! Whoa! Yeah, I can. That's it. That's water.
Yes, water.
Oh, imagine I could just. Oh, shaking. Whoa! Did you lose?
No.
Fiona, I have a problem.
Yeah.
I have nowhere to jump. Okay. Platform. No. I'm lost. I'm genuinely actually lost right now. No! I died. I had to jump off. Oh. Jim, come on. You can do it. Oh.
I did it!
Coin. Oh, the coin was taken. Hurry, reach the end. Oh no.
I'm bad at this one. I'm tired.
Yeah, you're on tablet. I have to do this on the phone. It's harder for me. I have a smaller jump button. You have a bigger jump button, Lucky.
Why I'm bad at these always.
Dun.
Why do we have to get away?
You made it.
Really too.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to single out what different colors.
Yeah. The hairs that we have in this are actually just the exact same. Yeah. We both have the same color hair in real life. It's just he likes that. He likes that skin that he has. He doesn't want to change.
The hair looks like a different multiverse, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. Weirdo.
Oh, right. Come on. Reach to the top. Oh, bad.
I'm scared.
I can't back you that time.
Yeah, I'm horrible.
Well, I'm kind of hard.
How have 2 people already? 3 people?
No, 2 people. Me.
No, 3 people. There are literally another 2 people with you.
This guy's trying to push me off.
Yeah, I feel like a bit like a loser right now. There's like 4 people who won.
It's raining.
What?
It's raining.
Why is it raining up there? Oh, it's because the water's at the edge. No! Get ready to fight with random gears.
Wait, look! I have green.
Oh! Don't get back here. I'm not afraid of you. I have a gun.
Riley, how about I get...
Whoa, so wait, someone literally just shot me. Oh no.
Someone just would shot me.
What? Yeah. When I shot someone, they only lost half health. What the heck?
This was me. Huh?
Yeah. Oh my god, someone has a purple glowing sword. That's how you killed me. Oh my god.
You killed me in 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Like 2
You sword. Wait. You sword? Okay. I thought you sword your weapon. Hi. Yes. Ah!
I want to push the button. Wait, give me.
Oh, it's me. It's me. I'm not.
Oh, yeah. That big hair is not letting me.
Are you lucky or unlucky? I'm lucky.
But it. Oh.
Okay, no, I'm unlucky. I just exploded. Oh, I can press it again. What?
How? Is that unfair?
Yes, no one. Everyone's dead. Like, everyone just died within 2 seconds. Dun, 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 dun,
I'm going right in the middle.
Boom, boom, boom. No, I am. I hope I'm the next button presser.
This guy's not letting me.
Yeah, that guy's just like water. I don't know, and oh, it's still me.
No, it's
Oh no,
now.
it's you. Watch out for the snowballs. Oh, that's easy. Wait, it sounds like a boss fight, doesn't it? No, listen. Okay, wait. Oh, it's like a boss battle. Like, whoa! Oh yeah, so it is like a boss battle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it's when like they're throwing out their stuff and like you just have to be really, really careful. Yeah. Oh, he threw out the water. Oh no, he's the boss. I feel I'm standing next to a statue. Fionn, why is it? Why is it whenever it's you, it's always cold? You make it cold. Why? I made it! Woo! Oh, this guy's the final boss! This is the boss! Get him! He's causing all the ice! Yeah? I think in like... I think they have... Yeah, what's his name? He was a massive robot boss. Yeah? Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What should they do with one friend? Yep. Remember to turn on the notifications so you can always know when there's a new video. Is there anyone still about here? Okay. It's dark for me. Lie down. If there's ice down here, I'm actually going to freak the heck out.
If there's a big...
No. Jump, get up.
I studied extra supply so I can press it.
No, you need to be the button presser. What's that? No.
That new guy is just like...
Yeah, and it's, why did you make a desert now? Why are you making elements? Whoa! I'm a rabbit! Wait, what? Wait, what sound does the rabbit make? Checkpoint. I hope. I am the crazy rabbit. Ophion is like a boss battle, like the Elements Master. Right, I think that's the end for today's video. Goodbye, and what should I do, Function? Yup. Bye.